Hey everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Park ADV in the Bivouac. We've got a section on how-to videos, and some of you guys know that we do how-to videos. I do a lot of mechanic work, and I'm showing you this, so I'll get to that. I do a lot of mechanic work out here in the Bivouac. I built this place for a place to work on my bikes. And right now I'm working on a 2007 KLR 650 that hadn't ran for 3 years. So what happened was the bike sat for 3 years with gas in the gas tank. And that's bad. So the gas tank had to be taken where they acid washed it, and then they put a coating inside the gas can. So now the gas can has a new liner in it. It's a liquid liner they put in there that seals it up so none of that nasty rust can creep back through. In the process of the bike sitting, anybody tell me what that is? This is the stock fuel petcock. And what's special about these petcocks is they're vacuum activated. This vacuum line operates from a vacuum port on your intake right in front of your carburetor on your bike. There's a vacuum line. What that means is when you start the bike, a vacuum pulls fuel through this from the gas tank that has a vacuum line on it, and it opens up a valve and allows fuel to come out and go into the carburetor. What it's good for is that it doesn't allow the carburetor just to get gravity-fed fuel overflowing. It pretty much is pretty efficient in the sense that it provides the fuel for your engine as needed. A lot of guys don't like them because the little rubber bladder in there will fail, and when that does, you're kind of stuck. So I went ahead and ordered a new petcock. That's the one I was showing you in the beginning, and it's this one. This one is a gravity-fed petcock with no vacuum port. A little simpler. It's a simple mechanical device. You turn it on, gas up above, flows through, and goes into your carburetor. You can still turn it off, run your bike out of gas every time you're going to store it so that that gas does not sit in your carburetor and rot your bike. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get this installed and get the bike put back together. You can find these on Amazon for under 20 bucks. Don't try to recondition them. Just get a new one. This one is unconditional. Cannot recondition this. Now, there is parts you can buy for that vacuum port right there. You can buy replacement parts for that. And I'll show you what some of that looks like. It's not the right drawer. Right here, we're fixing the lawnmower for grass cutting day tomorrow. Right here is parts to a vacuum actuated petcock that was converted to a gravity fed. And this is the bladder. This is the rubber part that'll fail, and this one did. If they get a tear in them, they won't seal right, and it won't allow fuel down to the carburetor. So Jamie, when he bought his bike, recognized the problem and sealed it off. There's all kinds of mods on that you can look up online too. So anyway, that's what we're doing. Don't forget to smash the like button and please subscribe. We're up to 138 subscribers because you guys are wonderful. I'm just a guy having fun out here. YouTube calls me a creator, and I try to make my videos informative, and I just try to have fun with it. So anyway, I love motorcycles, I love YouTube, and I sure appreciate your guys' support in my channel. It costs you nothing, and what you'll get in return are great videos, how-to mechanic videos, and crazy motorcycle riding videos, and just all kinds of cool stuff that we do. Anyway, thank you for subscribing and watching, and leave your comments in the comment section below. Let's get this thing on and see how it goes.